Let us just check our posture right now. See that our spine is straight. Got our vertical alignment around around us is our auric field that we're centered and we're not above our spine or in front of our spine or off to the right or left. We're just pulling ourselves in and around our spine, feeling the magnetics of our antakarana crown, our crown opening, energy moving into our heart with each breath, anchoring to the center horizontally. And we're feeling the energy kind of moving down through the spine, through the root. Again, feeling that vertical alignment down into Mother Earth. Feeling ourselves at that center point. Got the vertical line connected below and above Earth, Sun, horizontally centered in our hearts. And we're breathing from that place within our hearts, the source point within our hearts. When we feel the breath coming externally with every inhale, but you can also start to sense the energy coming in from within you, from within source into your form with every inhale. So start to synchronize both the external awareness of the prana coming in through the lungs into the heart field, and the heart field being charged with each inhale, and going even deeper within the source point of the heart, the 0 point, we call it. And as you inhale, you can also feel that energy coming in from source. And informing the physical and auric fields and energetic fields. We're kind of creating this inner and outer alignment. You could call it like a cross, a Maltese cross, a manifestation cross, a materialization cross, an energetic soul alignment here and now. And just now drop into the heart feeling. We're going to feel the presence of the energy that we just manifested together. Manifest is not quite the right word, but let's just say manifest. State is where became present to, became aware of this energy of exuberance. It has that exciting quality, yet it's buoyant, as if we're floating, and being lifted up from within. Let us breathe in this buoyancy, this exuberance. When we breathe in, we hold an exuberance strengthens in our hearts. And feel the buoyancy of the energy coming in. It's almost like a balloon, like a hot air balloon. You're just feeling that's filling the heart space. expanding outwards. Feeling the lungs getting lighter, a sense of purity there in the lungs, and just like a joy for life, exuberance for life. Exuberance, we begin to engage and feel it, and it lightens us density wise, but lightens us, enlightened wise. There's this essence of joy for life. We can hone in on that joy of life, maybe just so very ephemeral right now. So we just breathe into it, maybe pull it into our hearts, hold it in between breaths, allow it to strengthen, to take a hold within the crystalline lattice work of our hearts. You see, is that crystalline lattice work of our hearts, however it's being shown to you, it has a magnetism and an electric, as the energies kind of charge in the crystalline lattice. There's also a resonance of this exuberance that starts to spread beyond space, beyond even connection. It's just a resonance with the crystalline lattice work within your bones, within the DNA, but specifically in the endocrine system. Breathe that in. Breathe the exuberance, consciousness, the joy of life, frequency. Breathe it into your bones if you feel it to go into your bones. Enlighten and ignite the DNA strands to vibrate, whether they be physical in the bones or energetic in your divine human blueprint. And then allow those frequencies to talk and communicate through their own exuberance. It's like it catches in the cells and the consciousness of the glands of your endocrine system. And here's where we get to play a little. Which of those endocrine glands are you aware of? Which are receiving these Maharatic Mueva Christos frequencies, vibrations at the atomic cellular level in the endocrine system? Breathe it in. And notice that which ignites. Is it your pineal? Is it your pituitary? Is it your thalamus, thymus, adrenals? You begin to synchronize. There's like waves going in now, like with your breath. As the energy moves through the crystalline heart field, there's waves, pulses, but more like waves. Just begin to synchronize with the waves as it moves through your auric field, so your chakra perceiving consciousnesses, and see and feel, sense the waves interacting, communicating, integrating into the consciousness of, you could say the whole endocrine system as one consciousness, but I want you to take it even a step deeper into the individual. See which ones are engaged right now for you. Continue your pranayama, continue your inhale. Hold, charge, waves, integrating the endocrine system, and then exhaling out into your auric field, into your radial body. Again, one more time, breathing in, holding and just feeling the yumminess, the joy of life, the joy of living, your eternal nature. And exhaling that eternal nature out into your auric field. And just let yourself reset now. This eternal nature energy is beginning to command your physical vehicle. Just receive. Hone in on that eternalness that you are. Drink, breathe in and drink in your heart, feel that eternalness. Breathe in, hold, and drink. How much we could share this with others. And then exhale. Breathe in, hold, swish it around like a fine wine and drink it in. Pull it in, even deeper now. Saturate your plasma heart and exhale. Breathe in one more time, that eternal nature. Holding it in your heart and just give any shame, any guilt, any energies of the tribe moving against you. Just forgive and let go. Forgive them, for they know not what they did. Breathing in. Hold. Feel the buoyancy, the exuberance of your heart expanding through the heart muscles, the heart energy field. Forgive. How good does it feel to forgive right now? And exhale. Forgiveness. Breathing in. One more time. Last time, we're just going to hold that energy of forgiveness, exuberance, and forgive yourself. I forgive. I am free. You have the calmness. It's like a peace that's been restored, peace of your true nature, a piece of your soul. One last breath to anchor and to be aware of coming back into the physical vehicle. Feel the energy kind of grounding through your solar plexus, sacral chakra root. Take it down into Mother Earth. Feel Mother Earth, the charge of receiving this activation, how Mother Earth is grateful and returning, surrounding you with these new encryption codes for a healthy endocrine system, exuberance in your life experience, and the joy of existence itself. Slowly opening your eyes, hands over your heart in gratitude to your soul, to Mother Earth. Bowing your head and releasing anything that no longer serves. Om Namah Shivaya.
Namaste.
Namaste. Jai Shri Krishna.